Hi there and welcome to TechLighten Me. In this video I want to show you how to turn on BitLocker on Windows 11. Start by right-clicking on the Start button and then click on System. That will open the About page where you can see the specs of your computer. On this page, scroll down until you find the related settings and then click on BitLocker. That will open the BitLocker Drive Encryption window where you can control the settings. If BitLocker is disabled, you will have this option here where you can turn on BitLocker. If you click on that, you'll be prompted to save your BitLocker recovery key. This is a very important step. You can save the key to a Microsoft account, which is a good option. You can also save it to a text file or make a printout of it here. If you choose to save it to a text file, you need to save it on another drive, like a USB flash drive or network drive. You can't save it on the same drive that you're encrypting with BitLocker. If you choose to save it to a Microsoft account, and you want to know how to find the recovery key in your Microsoft account, watch the video linked in the description. If this video was helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech enlightenment.